In this video we are going to see the question like find the maximum and minimum element of the array. So this is a sample input, like the elements of the array is like 11, 12, 10, 22 and 50. So we need to get the sample output like the max is equals to 50. Max means here in this among these elements the maximum element is 50. So and then the minimum element is 10. So we need to write the code to satisfy the question. So for this purpose I am taking few variables of int data type. In this printf I am advising user like enter the size of the array. To scan the size of the array I am taking a variable like let it be a size only. So whatever the entered size I am going to scan in the scan variable. Now in this printf I am advising user like to enter the elements of the array. Now the entered elements I am going to scan in the a variable using for loop. To initialize for loop I am taking one variable like I. Now I equals to the starting index of the array, let it is 0, and I less than the size of the array which is stored in the scan variable. Later I plus plus. Now in this for loop I am scanning the values. Now in this for loop only I am comparing or I am checking the maximum element and the minimum element. So to check the maximum, here we need to give the max value initially as the very minimum value which is like 0, and to check the minimum value we need to give initially width of maximum number, let it be of something of 999. Now after the scanf what I am going to do like if I am using the if condition, in the bracket of this I am checking for the maximum, like max is equals max. So initially the max is 0. So I am comparing with 11, like from 0 and 11 is the maximum number. So to satisfy the if condition we need to write like if 0 is less than the element like a of 5, then we need to change the value of max, like max is equals to the element. So don't get confused. So initially the maximum is of value 0, the element value is 11. From 0 and 11 is a bigger number. So in this if condition 0 is less than the 11. So the if condition is true. Then what is going to happen means the value of max is now changing to 11. Again in the next iteration what is going to happen means now it is checking for 11 and 12. So 11 is less than the 12. So again it is going to change the maximum value to 12. Likewise it is checking the up to the size, then whatever the maximum value is there, that is going to copy in the max variable. So I think you have got the idea. Now same code is I am going to write for to check the minimum, like after of this I am using another if statement. Now in the bracket of this I am giving the condition to check the minimum, like suppose here the minimum is of with maximum value like 999. The first element of this is like 11. So is 999 is greater than 11 or I am going to check. So if it is true, if the minimum is like with maximum value, then I am going to change the minimum value. Minimum is if minimum is greater than the element like a of I. In the bracket of this I am giving like I am going to change to a of I. So what is going to happen means in the background it is going to check like 999 is greater than the 11. So now it is a time to change the 999 value to 11, like now 11 is copying to the min variable. later in the second iteration it is again checking with 11 and 12, like is 11 is greater than the 12? No, it is false. Then it is be as it is, so the minimum is 11 as of the second iteration. Again in the third iteration it is again checking with 10. Is 11 is greater than the 10? Yes, the if condition is true. Then what is going to happen means the value of the min, like 11 is going to change to 10. Now minimum is like 10, so on up to the size of the array. Checking is done. So I think you have got the idea. After the end of this loop, I am declaring one statement, like the printf statement. I want to end this printf. If I run the program, you can see here. So in this sample input, the array is of size like 5, so it is the size 5. Now if I press enter, it is asking the enter the elements of the array. So let us enter the sample input elements. Like now we can check here, the maximum among these elements is 50 and the minimum among these elements is 10. So if I again run the program, if we give another elements, like let us give some another elements, you can check here among these 4 elements like 10, 20, 30 and 40, the maximum element is 40 and the minimum